Hey guys, this is part two to my video. See, I was messing around and somehow I turned my phone off. So I want to do a follow up on my little video. Look guys, I already put my noodles in there with my beans. See, and then I had this little thing that I found. It's a little piece of sausage. No, it's a beef jerky. My bad. It's a beef jerky. It's Jack Links, 100% beef. I'm about to put this in, and I also had this little bag of Cheetos because one time I had a bunch of them, and I just found this one. I didn't think I had it, and guess what? I'm about to put it in. You already know. Put it on my quiche, on my whatever you wanna call it. Okay, guys, look at this. The little beef jerky. Put it right in there on my little American Goulash. I don't know why I keep calling it quiche, but it's an American Goulash. That's what it's called. That's the right word I was looking for. See my beans, my noodles, spices, and we got the Cheetos, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. We about to cook all the good stuff right there. We got piece of beef jerky, noodles, beans, and Cheetos. And once it's cooked, all that stuff, I will put some of my lemon juice, organic lemon juice, onto my little soup, noodle soup, or American Goulash, whatever you want to call it. Got my little cooking stuff, guys. Yeah, let me light it up. Yeah, guys, and I make my videos with my phone, not a camera. I wish. And once my little food is done, guys, I'm gonna put my juice from this big lemon onto my little American Goulash. That's the right word I was looking for. American Goulash. Eating it under a bridge. Homeless guy with a fucked up back, can't work. But guess what? I'm not standing on the freeway ramp or the street with a sign that says homeless anything helps. Hell no. I got more pride than that. Those lazy motherfuckers, they get a check, a crazy check, and they living better than me and you. And people keep giving them a bunch of money, and all they do is go and smoke it up in drugs, shoot it up. But hey, that's their business. I do my own thing. I go in the dumpster, get my food from the trash, get my little cans from the dumpster, make my little money. So don't hate me because I'm surviving, guys. Yeah, I'm on YouTube showing you just a little glimpse onto my life. But it's not a reason to hate, to be negative, to be anal retentive. You feel me? So come on, people. I'm not here asking you for money. Jeez, I'm only showing you a little bit glimpse onto my life. That's all. That's all. So I don't want your sorry. I don't want your pity. So we cooking our little American Goulash, guys. We got noodles, beef jerky, beans, and a little pack of Cheetos. Cheetos, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And this is my little tent right there. And let me tell you, that thing is like a sauna. So fucking hot at nighttime. I be sweating like a fucking pig. I be sweating like a fucking slave, like a runaway slave. Feel me? Mosquitoes biting my ass and shit. But hey, we are here surviving. That's all. We not committing no crimes. We not doing no drugs. We just surviving. That's all I'm doing. Alright? Yes, sir. In the name of Jesus Christ, I will be alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cause he look out for me. Yep. I don't ask nobody for money. Nope. If you wanna help me, share my videos with your friends, and hopefully we can get 1,000 views and 1,000 likes. Oh yeah, guys, don't judge me. Don't judge me. I check it out, guys. American Goulash. We have beans, we have noodles, we have jerky, beef jerky, and a pack of Cheetos. Beautiful, isn't it? Yes, beautiful. Well, guys, thank you for liking my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, and let's make it to 1,000 views. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you, and later, have a good day or a week, and peace.